Hi everyone, this is Sarfaraz from Aristotle Prep, and we are looking at question number 19 from the OG 13 RC chapter. In case you haven't understood the passage, please watch the video for question number 18 where I discuss the passage in great detail. So the question says, according to the passage, which means it's a detailed question, one reason that the distribution of blood in the sea snake changes little while the creature remains in the ocean is that. Well, of course, I can go back and check in the second paragraph, but if I remember correctly, it had something to do with pressure gradients or something on those lines. So I'll quickly look at the option once. If I find two close options, then I will go back and check. A says the heart of the sea snake tends to be located near the center of its body, which is absolutely correct. It does tend to be located in the center, but this has got nothing to do with the fact that, with the fact that the distribution of blood changes little. B says pressure gradients in the water surrounding the sea snake counter the effects of vertical pressure gradients within its blood vessels. I absolutely clearly remember reading about pressure gradients. I'm holding on to this option. C says the sea snake assumes a vertical posture less frequently is totally wrong. The vertical posture was for the arboreal snake. D says the sea snake often relies on waves of muscle contraction is totally wrong. Again, this was for the land snakes. E says the force of pressure gradients in the water surrounding the sea snake exceeds that of vertical pressure gradients within its circulatory system. So I'll hold on to this also because I remember only pressure gradients or vertical gradients. So B and E are the two options I come down to. Then I quickly go back and check in the second paragraph, and it says because the vertical pressure gradients within the blood vessels are counteracted by similar gradients. So nothing is getting exceeded. So E is wrong, and B for Boston should be the answer to the question.